Hello viewers, welcome back to JAT Online Maths. Please, I hope you are doing good. We thank God, we thank God, we thank God, we thank God. Good. Today we are going to look at angles, plane geometry. It is one of the topics most students find difficult to understand. But today, you will understand it once and for all. So please, keep on watching JAT Online Maths. If you are new here, please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. Now, we'll talk of angles. Angles are formed when two lines meet. And we have types of angles. We have acute angle, we have obtuse angle, we have reflex angle, we have supplementary angle, we have complementary angles. We have a lot. But the main topic for today will be angles between lines. Angles between lines. Good. Now, let's look at this diagram. Now, we have this diagram, angles between lines. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, when you take A and E, the name given to A and E is called corresponding angles. So, A is equal to E, called corresponding angles. So, A and E are called corresponding angles. Then another corresponding angle here will be B and F. B and F is also called corresponding angles. So A and E are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So if here is 20, then E is also 20. So take note. Good. Then we have B and F. They are also equal. Now, can you give me another corresponding angles here? Good. 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 Your guess is good as mine. Good. You've done well. So another corresponding angle here will be C and G. C and G. So C is equal to G because they are equal. Also corresponding angles. Then another corresponding angles here will be D and H. D and H. So D is equal to what? H, which is also called corresponding angles. So these are the corresponding angles. Please take note of the corresponding angles. We are going to use them when we move forward. We are going to use them. So understand it once and for all. Are you getting me? Good. 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 Now let's go to number 2. Number 2, we have alternate angles. Alternate angles. Now, under alternate angles, we have C and F. C and F. They are alternating. Now, whenever you see Z, look here, Z, I can see Z here, Z here. Yes, whenever you see Z, you will see alternate angles. So, C and F. C and F. C is equal to what? F. C is equal to F. And then, can you give me another alternate angles? Good. It will be D and E. D and E. So, you can say that D is equal to what? E. They are all alternate angles. So, we have only 2 alternate angles here. C and F. D and E. because I can see Z here. Okay, good. So take note. Now let's go to number 3. So alternate angles are equal. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, we have co-interior angles. Also known as supplementary angle. Co-interior angles are also known as supplementary angles. Now let's go and see our co-interior angles. Now we have C and E. C and E, they are co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are equal to 180. Now when you add them, these two angles, it should give you 180. They are not equal. They are equal to 180. So take note. That's why I said that it's also known as supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, these are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. That's why I'm saying that co-interior angles are also known as supplementary angles. So we have C and E. So C plus E should give us 180 degrees. And then D plus F should also give us 180 degrees. So these are the co-interior angles. So take note. Are you getting me? Good. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4, we have angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line, we have A plus B. A plus B. Now, angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So take note, they are not equal. They are equal to 180 degrees. So A plus B will give us 180 degrees. We have many angles on a straight line here. We have many. We can have A and B angles on a straight line. C and D angles on a straight line. E and F angles on a straight line. J and H angles on a straight line. E and J, F and H, B and D, A and C, they are all angles on a straight line. Okay, so we can also have A plus C, also equal to what? 180. So these are the angles on a straight line. Are you getting the steps? Good. If you have any question, just give your comment. I will reply you. Good. Now, let's go to the next one. Vertically opposite angles. Now, vertical opposite angles, we have A and D. A is equal to D because they are vertically opposite. Another vertical opposite angles here will be B and C. So B and C, they are vertically opposite. A and D, they are vertically opposite. Now when you come here, we have E and H, they are vertically opposite. Then we have J and F, they are vertically opposite. And vertically opposite angles are equal. Please take note, they are equal. So we have A is equal to D. Then we have B is equal to C. We also have E is equal to H. So we have a lot. Now these are some of the vertically opposite angles. Okay, you're getting all the steps. Good, 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 good. So with all these angles, now you've thought of, we've done corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. We've done alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. We've done co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are equal to 180 degrees. It is also known as supplementary angles. We also done angles on a straight line, which is equal to 180 degrees. So take note. Then vertically opposite angles. Are you getting it? Good. With these examples, let's try our hands on this question. Okay? It's very easy. Very, very easy. Don't panic whenever you see angle questions. Good. Now look here. Find the value of angle CBF. CBF. Now, let me teach you this. Most people find it difficult to answer angle questions because they don't know how to create the angles. So, before we solve this question, I want to teach you how to create the angles. If you want to create the angles, you don't have problem in angles. So take note. So when you take this angle, angle CBF, meaning this angle, we are looking for this angle, this one. This one is what we call CBF. Now this the same angle can be FBC. So take note, this angle here, the angle B here, is having three angles. The B here, this angle, is having three angles. 1, 2, 3. So this angle here is what you call this angle. This angle is called angle CBF. This one. Always the angle should be in the middle. The angle should be in the middle. So you can see that the B is in the middle. Here. Good. Now when you come here, this one, this angle will be angle EBF. Angle EBF or angle FBE. So I'm going to have angle EBF. Please, we are learning how to create the angles. Take note, it's very important. So this angle is angle EBF or FBE. Anywhere is correct. Always make sure that the angle will be in the middle. So you will see that this B is in the middle. Whether I start from here or here, B is in the middle. Now, let's come here. This angle. Now, this angle will be angle EBA. EBA. So it will be EBA or ABE. So either EBA or ABE. angles. Good. How we are getting the angles? How to create the angles? Good. Now let's come here. Now he is having two angles. Two. We have this angle and this angle. Now let's learn how to create it. So this angle, this one. Now this angle, this one. This one we have, yes. Can you try? Good, good. It's correct. It's correct. Good. Good. It's correct. Good. Good. Try, okay? Never give up. So, and here, this angle will be angle DEB. DEB. Or BED. So, DEB. Are you following? Good. Good. Now let's come here. This angle. This one. Now this one, it will be angle BEF. BEF. Or FEB. So BEF. This one, this angle. Okay? Good. Now let's come here. This one we have this angle. This angle. This angle will be angle EFB. EFB. So, angle EFB. Always, the angle should be in the middle. Whether I start from here, BFE or EFB, they are the same. Always F is in the middle. EFB or BFE. Angles are not difficult. Angles are not difficult. Okay? Good. Now let's come to this angle. We are learning how to create the angles. If you learn how to create the angles, you don't have problem. Now, this angle will be BFG. BFG. So, BFG. Angle BFG. The angle is in the middle, F. Or FGFB. Good. Please, if you have any question on how to create the angles, please try and ask your question. I will reply you. Now let's go to the question. The question says, find the value of angle CBF. Angle CBF. Mean this angle. This one, this angle. What comes to your mind? You are finding this angle. What comes to your mind? Good. Good. Co-interior angles. You see, this 180 here and this angle are called co-interior angles. And co-interior angles are equal to what? 180 degrees. Take note. So in case in objective tests, when they ask you, what is the relationship between this angle and this angle? I know the first answer that will come to your mind will be co-interior angles. But when you go to the possible answers and you don't have co-interior angles, the alternative answer will be supplementary angle. So take note. So we are finding this angle. This plus this should give us 180. Now we've learned how to create the angles. So now let's create the angles. So angle C, solution. Angle CBF. mean this one plus this one, BFG. Angle BFG should give us 180. Then into bracket co-interior angles. And you are following the methods. Good. Good. Now we don't know angle CBF. So angle CBF plus. Now we know angle BFG. BFG 118. So 118 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We are looking for angle CBF. What do? Group like terms. Group like terms. So we are going to have angle CBF is equal to 180 degrees minus, because this 118 is causing an equal sign to become negative. 118. So angle CBF is equal to 180 minus 118 to give us 62. Let's try 180 minus 118. Carry 1. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Here will be 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So 62 degrees. So therefore, angle CBF is equal to 62 degrees. Is it difficult? No. Please tell yourself, I can do it. I can do it. Believe in yourself. Have self-confidence. Have self-confidence. Let's go. Let's go to II. The II says find x. Where is x? This is my x. What comes to your mind? Now, 80 plus x plus this angle should give us what? Good. We are doing well. Keep it up. Will give us 180. Why? Good. Why? Because angles on a straight line is equal to what? 180. So 1, 2, 3. They are all angles on a straight line, which will give us 180 degrees. So add this plus this plus this. Good. So we are going to have 80 degrees plus x plus, you know this angle, right? This angle is what? 62. So plus 62 degrees should give us 180 degrees. Now let's group like terms. X is equal to 180 minus 80 so 80 plus 62 will give us 80 plus 62. 2 here will give us 14. 142. So x plus 142 is equal to 180. Let's group like terms. So we are going to have x is equal to 180 minus 142. So 180 minus 142 will give us 10, 8. Now here will be 7. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So we are going to have x is equal to what? 38 degrees. So this is how you're going to solve a question like this. Angle questions are very easy. Keep on following Chat Online Maths and you will understand your angles perfectly. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try and do so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. Please and please again, never give up. Never give up. Keep on trying. When you work and you get wrong, try again. Never give up. Self-confidence. And also work on your presentation, how you present your work. It should be neat. Trying to be neat. I wish you all the best.